আলাইকুম। আমি ইঞ্জিনিয়ার সাইফুল দুবাই থেকে। আজকে একটা ভিডিও নিয়ে আসলাম, সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের যারা ইলেকট্রিশিয়ান ভাই এবং যারা ইঞ্জিনিয়ার আছে, যারা ফ্রেশার, তাদের জন্য হয়তো কিছুটা উপরে আসবে, সেই উদ্দেশ্যে আসলে ভিডিওটা করা। আমাদের দুবাইতে একটা খুবই বিরাট একটা প্রজেক্ট, একটা ফ্লোরে 40টা ফ্ল্যাট, অনেক লম্বা, অনেক বড় লম্বা। তো এখানে আমরা ইলেকট্রিক্যাল কাজগুলি বা প্লাম্বিংয়ের কাজগুলি, অর্থাৎ স্ল্যাবে আর কি, ছাদের মধ্যে কীভাবে আমরা কাজগুলি করে থাকি সেটাই দেখানোর উদ্দেশ্য। আমাদের দেশে আসলে অন্য ধরনের করে, এখানে আরেক ধরনের। আমি আসলে আমাকে অনেক আমার ভিডিওতে ফ্রেন্ডেরা কমেন্টস করে যে আপনি বাংলা কেন বলেন, ওয়াই নট ইংলিশ? সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই টুডে আই এম টেলিং দ্য ইংলিশ অনলি. So I'm not taking the big video, a small video, just little part. I have to show you how we have to did in the slab work, electrical and the plumbing slip work. Actually plumbing now at the moment is the slip work. Okay. So our country and the Dubai is different work. So now I will show you the how we are doing in the slab working, electrical conduiting and the plumbing slip work. Okay, so keep with me. The our one of the project is very big project. Now is the only a small part, the plumbing and the electrical work ongoing, but at the moment the slab is plumbing work. And this is the our one of the beside side is very big project also. Now is the ongoing footing. Okay, this is the our project, and I will show you the how we are doing the electrical work. This is the now third floor slab. So there is the which ones are you are watching the white silver type. This is the frustration cable. It is actually why you are using in the Dubai, because of the less use the steel. If this cable is there, so there is we can use the less steel, because of this is architectural design, not with me. Anyway, I am not doing that side. I am showing the how we are doing the plumbing work. So this is the we make the measurement. See, there is the how I can show you. There is the we make some. See, this is the we make the measurement for the one of the bathroom. There is the white color. There is the one white color. See this one. First we have to, in the slab we have to make the marking in the slab bathroom. After that, according to our measurement, we make the one builder drawings. According to our measurement, we make the our slip work. See, there is already we mentioned, this is the touch to the wall, and this is the WC. Our people, they make the marking WC, and this is the floor trap, and this one is the shower. This is for the shower slip, and this is for the wash basin slip. So normally in the slab plumbing we are doing like this. See, this all plumbing slip is will keep the slip in the slab. When slab is casting done, after that we remove this slip, then we are starting our final work for the plumbing. Okay, now I am showing the how we are doing the electrical work in the slab. Okay, because of I am speaking, because of lots of my friend, they're asking me that why you are not telling the English. That's why I am telling the English. Okay, see, this is the one of our point, the electrical point, but in our country not like this. They are doing this some other way, and there is the we have band. We are doing the customize and own ourselves by spring, but in our country it is coming the ready-made band, and this pipe thickness is the 1.8, and this is the 20 mm pipe. So this is the one Purva junction box. Okay, and there is the one going to the DB. See, this is the DB, this is the going to DB. There is the DB, and there is the one is the 2-inch pipe, big pipe is coming to the electrical room SMDB. From the electrical room, and a main cable coming from the this 2-inch pipe, and these all are I don't know showing or not. Okay, see, there is the what is the DB coming. We are make the measurement. After that we make the hole in the ply. Okay, and this the 2-inch is the main cable pipe, and all other rest is the as per circuit. Okay, so there is the this area we have the DB. Okay, and this area we have the telephone. So there is the one box, one going for the one going for the DB, one going for the switch, and one going for the looping. So this box to this box we are making the looping, see. And after that again one more light is there, that means light is here more, and one more light is here going to the that box, and that box is the end box. There is the two way, actually should be one way box. Anyway, they close the other side by masking tape. So actually normally we are doing like this in Dubai, looping, but in our country one light one switch, but here some 4 spot light we are making the one switch like this. So here all like this box, this is the two way, three way box calling, and this is the 20 mm pipe. Okay, okay, so this is the this way. As per drawing, first you have to understand the drawing, then as per drawing we have to make the conduit. This like this we are doing the electrical work. One is the main cable coming from the SMDB, that means the main electrical room, and other one all rest are from the going to the room. See, they are also same. This is the 2 inches the main cable. This 2 inches are coming from the main cable, and rest of all are outgoing. Here is the DB area, distribution board. Okay, I hope people you understand, guys. Okay, I am trying to give the video because of the, if anybody learning from my video, so prayer for me. Okay, so thank you so much. I don't want to make the more long video. So this is the plumbing slip for the first in the slab. After that we remove this slip and we will make the permanently. Okay, so there is all safety rules, everybody they have to maintain, otherwise Dubai they cannot work. Okay, so this is our one of the big project, East floor 40 flat. See, up to there, our project up to there, it's too much. East floor 40 flat means you can imagine how much the big slab. Okay, so this slab they cannot make one time concrete, they have to make the 3 part because of very big slab. So okay, thank you so much, keep prayer for me.